I'm gonna show you how fast this thing can go.
What is this? Tell them what it
A
is.
monster truck.
A monster truck?
It's waterproof. It can go in cold water.
Oh my gosh. A monster truck that can go across water, huh?
Okay. That one fell. That one fell. That was a bear.
Tell them who's out here with us.
Hiding. My dog. Got a big piece of wood in her mouth.
Oh! This is terrible footage right now. Way too close. Look at that. That's a, what do they call that in Past the Pigs?
A leaning salad.
Yeah,
Oh my
leaning
God.
job.
That's crazy. That is crazy. I've never done this.
Tell them what we're waiting on today.
Oh, we waiting on my COVID flight.
Your COVID test.
Test.
Yeah.
No, I can't.
What are we hoping for? What are we hoping it's going to be?
Negative.
Negative?
No, we're hoping it. And I don't know how I did this. There you go. Okay, I was doing it on the nose for a minute. I don't know it was like fold up, but I doing it on the nose. Woo!
Another crash. All right, I think they've seen enough. You want to tell them? Tell them bye.
Wait, no. It's still going. I feel like you're feeling it. Really, I'll go for a walk. Bye, guys. See you next time. Oh, am I supposed to hit that like button and subscribe?
Like button and subscribe, right?